Welcome students. In today's class, we will learn about the try-catch blocks. Actually, this point is exception handling. Exception handling means if our program contains some logical errors, then sometimes the compiler will not show the output properly. To handle such types of situation, it is called as a exception handling. Here is one example, and in this example there is one logical error is present, and according to or due to that logical error the program is not executed properly. So see here we take one class error 2, and in this class there are three data members, three variables that we take. These three variables are of integer types, and here is one variable that we take to store the output from operations on these three variables. तर इथे एक व्हेरिएबल घेतला आहे आपण INT_x, आणि x इक्वल्स टू आपण a डिवायडेड बाय b मायनस c असं लिहिलेलं आहे. Now as we know that the value of b is 5, the value of c is 5. So 5 minus 5 it will be 0, and the value of a is 10, and due to this it is 10 divided by 0. It means that here it is one problem because it is the divided by 0 error, and when we want to display the value of this x, the compiler will not show the output, it will show an error, and that is divided by 0 error. And due to this error, this statement is not executing, and due to this the value of y is never executing in this program. It means that here the syntactic error is not present in this code, and due to this the compiler do not show any syntactic error message, and due to this the remaining statement, that is these two statements which do not contain any type of error, but then and then also the program is not executing continuously, because here the error is find out, and due to this error condition the program stop and just show a display message, and it is not executed. Such type of situation can be handled in any programming language, and that is called as a exception handling. Now see here, this is the syntax for exception handling mechanism. So here is one try block. If we want, or if we think that our program or some code of statements may contains any exception, then we keep that block of statements in try block, and whatever the message that we want to show to handle such type of exceptions, that we keep in catch block. So if the problem is occurred, or if the exception is occurred, that exception is thrown towards the catch, and in catch method the proper exception handling statement is written here, and due to this the program show that message in the catch block, and the program will execute continuously. It means that according to previous example, the program will not stop if the execution occur or if the exception occurred in the program. So here is one example. In this example we use this try and catch block. So here is our try block and it is catch. I will explain this example. Here we take one class, you can see it carefully. So Here is one class error3. In this class, in main method, we take the same three variables which have the values of a equals to 10, b equals to 5 and c equals to 5. Here we again take two integer type of variables int x, y. We keep the code that where the exception is present, we keep the code in try block. So this block is called as a try block. The exception is present here. Now in catch block, we write the proper message which handle this exception. So here is the message division by 0. If the exception is occurred, then the control is transferred directly from try to catch. And here is the remaining program, that is y equals to a divided by b plus c, which do not contain any exception, and due to this message of value y will be displayed here. So such type of situation is called as a exception handling. Here is that program which contains this try block and catch block. So this concept is called as a exception handling. We can take multiple catch statements also in our program to handle the different types of exceptions. कधी कधी आपल्या प्रोग्राममध्ये वेगवेगळ्या टाईपचे एक्सेप्शन्स येऊ शकतात. जसं की आपण एखादा ॲरे हँडल करणार आहोत आणि त्यावेळेस ॲरेची जी लिमिट आहे ती आउट ऑफ रेंज आली असेल तर इंडेक्स आउट ऑफ रेंज असं एक्सेप्शन आपण हँडल करू शकतो. किंवा जर अर्थमॅटिक एक्सेप्शन्स एखादा येणार असेल म्हणजे डिवायडेड बाय 0, इट इज द एक टाईप ऑफ अर्थमॅटिक एक्सेप्शन्स. किंवा ॲरेचा जो डेटा टाईप आहे तो मिसमॅच झालेला असेल, या टाईपचे एक्सेप्शन्स आपल्याला हँडल करायचे असतील. इट मीन्स दॅट फॉर अ सिंगल ट्राय वी कॅन टेक मल्टिपल कॅच स्टेटमेंट्स. इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल सी अबाउट दॅट टाईप ऑफ एक्सेप्शन्स with the multiple catch statement. I hope all of you understand this point. So this is your try and catch block. It is just a simple example which can show how the exception can be handled in C#. So thank you and take care.